This is like no bullshit, everyday makeup, I promise you. Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. I am so happy that you are returning, or if you're new here, then welcome. My name's Naomi and I'm so happy to meet you. So, today's video is going to be very easy, very straightforward, and I am just doing a bit of a chatty, get ready with me. And apparently the dog wants to be involved because she is rolling around all over on my bed. She has been asleep for the past half an hour, and as soon as I start filming, she plays games with me. I don't know why. I think it's because she can hear my voice, but please excuse her if you can hear her roaming around on my bed. But we're going to just get straight into the video, and I'm going to start with some primer. Yeah, I'm not going to be telling you like what I'm using on my face as such, because, you know, I've done other videos like that. It's more just a chatty get ready with me, really. And I feel like I haven't done one of these in ages, and you guys like seem to really like them, so that's what we're doing. So I'm just doing my primer, and yeah. Do you know, I used to use the Anastasia Dip Brow for my eyebrows, and lately I have been using the Primark one, and it's absolutely brilliant. I use this now, and it was like £2, I think, £2 or £3. So yeah, I use this. It's a lot. Well, I wouldn't say it's better than the Anastasia one, but it's definitely like on par. It does the job. Still can't get my eyebrows to be my friends. They always, you know, want to make me look like a fool. But yeah, I've just learned to accept them. And I'm not really going anywhere today, so this makeup is going to be like very minimal, just everyday makeup. And when I say everyday, I mean everyday. I don't mean this bullshit, you know, my everyday makeup, and then they use about 10 gazillion products. They use like eyeshadow. Like, who wears eyeshadow every day? Nah, not for me that. This is like no bullshit, everyday makeup, I promise you. This is going to include a lot of failures. It's going to include my eyebrows not cooperating. It's going to include my dog continuously playing on the bed and wanting attention like a spoilt little brat. But it's going to be fun, I hope. So eyebrows are somewhat on. And I'm going to go in with some foundation. Now, I usually use Estee Lauder foundation, and I know it's a bit pricey, like £32 I think it is, but I've been using the Rimmel one as well. I've also got the Maybelline one, and the other day I went to my nana's house and my auntie was there, and she gave me the MAC one, and there's not a lot left in it, but it's a nice one, and I don't know whether I'd pay MAC prices for it, but because it's free, I'm using it. So yeah, not doing like a great deal. I'm only doing like a light coverage just because I'm staying in the house. I am a bugger for like a full cover if I'm going out, but I'm literally staying in the house until Matt gets in from work. So I'm just doing a bit of a presentable look. So if anyone knocks at the door and, you know, I'm a bit more presentable, and they won't be like, oh my god, what is with your face? That is what we're doing today. And you never know. You never know who might knock on my door. I mean, it's very unlikely, but Gerard Butler might knock on my door, mightn't he? And he might just, like, he might start singing to me in, like, his Irish accent. saying, start leaving me letters and that. P.S. I love you. So you never know. And he's not going to do that if I don't have any makeup on, is he? I look like a sack of shit. So as you can probably tell, a lot of other people go like this and blend. I don't do that every day. I'm not lying. I do it if I'm going out on a night, or, you know, I want my makeup to stay on a bit longer. But day to day, I just like rub it a bit. And I know it's probably wrong, but that's what I do. So, as you can see, I've still got like little pink spots. That's just my skin, don't mind me. But it's made me look a bit more put together. So I am going to go in with a tiny bit of concealer, nothing, you know, major. And day to day, I don't do the whole like on the nose and on the lip and everything like that. Don't do that every day, I'll be totally honest. I just put a bit under my eyes, just so it brightens them up a little bit. See, whenever I'm quiet, the dog's quiet. Whenever I try and speak, she starts playing again. It's like she's playing a game with me and I'm losing. Righty-ho. So now that that's all on, I'm going to go in with some powder. And the powder that I use is just from Primark. And it was £2. So, you know, happy days. Tap it off like I know what I'm doing. And then it just goes all over. And all over your top as well, apparently. Do you know what I'd love to know? What are your guys' like everyday makeup? Like, do yous do the whole highlighting, contouring, eyeshadow, HD brows? Do yous do that every day? Let me know in the comments. I won't judge you, I promise. I just like to know, because I think that I'm quite like a normal girl, other than the fact that, you know, I'm a bit wacky. You know, I think that I'm like quite a normal girl, and do I need to like up my makeup game day to day? Bit of bronzer. I'm just using the Hoola bronzer because it was recommended to me. Before that, I used to use the collection one. And if I'm honest, the only reason I bought this was because I won some money at the casino. So I had some money and I didn't mind spending, I think it was like £30. So yeah, I won some money and I bought it. Probably wouldn't have done it if I didn't have money. I'd have probably just bought the collection one again. So I don't blush, don't do blush every day. The only time I wear blush really is if I go on like a night out. So the last step, and I don't even do this every day, but for the purpose of the video I'm going to, it's just a bit of highlighting, and I don't go mad. I just pop a little bit there, that's it, and then I wipe it all away anyway, just to like simmer it down a bit. Constantly smile at myself in the mirror as I go, just to make myself feel a bit better. Bit of mascara, and if I'm honest, I don't know why I bother, because of that I put my glasses on and you can't see them, so, but I just do like a very light coat, just so they don't feel as bald. I poke myself in the eye, bloody hell, oh, it's gone all over, look. Oh, God, 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 God. Right, get my little beauty blender out. Let's fix the day. See, I just use my fingers, me. I just think, yeah, that'll do. Bish, bash, bosh. Can't be bothered. I'm a very minimal type of gal. I don't wear lipstick every day. Like, just because I vape on my little e-cig. I've been quit 2 years now. I I've still got something in my eye, bear with me. Yeah, so I've been quit 2 years now. I've been quit smoking 2 years, and I'm still on my little e-cig, and obviously if I put lipstick on, it goes all around on there, so I don't bother unless I'm going on like a night out, and then I'll put it on. But day to day, do not bother. So I've literally put primer on, foundation, a tiny bit of concealer, a bit of bronzer, a bit of highlighter, and mascara. Oh, and my eyebrows. I forgot about them. And my eyebrows. So yeah, how many products is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. 8 products on my face. That's it. And it's took me about 10 minutes. And that is it. I honestly don't know how people can be asked to do like eyeshadows and contours and everything daily. Honestly, could not be bothered. So this is my little everyday makeup look. My hair will stay like this. It won't, you know, it won't go down and end up in curls. Some people who say, oh, my hair's like a mess and it's so horrible when it's natural. Well, and then they've got it up in like a massive bun, and then they take it down and it's like voluptuous curls, and you just look and think, you've styled that. You must have just had the hair straighteners and used them as a curler, or you've had the curlers on them or something. Like, if I took my hair down now, it'd be out here. It's ridiculous, and I'm not gonna, because it's atrocious. I'm gonna shut it up in a tighter bobble, and get me bingo wings and me double chins in, because they always like to appear in my videos. And yeah, that's it. Like, you know, bouffant. But that's how it's staying. I'm not going nowhere. And you know, if Gerard Butler does knock at the door, then he's in for a treat, isn't he? And just to sum this whole video up, I would like to answer the question of the day, and that is by Steph Miller, and she asks, what is your star sign? Now, my star sign is a Libra, my birthday is October, so it makes me a Libra, and if I'm totally honest, I have no idea what that means. You know, I don't really follow them. I sometimes read them in the paper to see if I'm going to be getting like loads of money soon. Other than that, not really fussed on it. I don't really believe in like your star sign is best suited to someone else's star sign. Really don't believe in that. But yeah, I'm a Libra. Thank you so much for your question, Steph. Poppy has decided to pop her head in again. But yeah, if you would like a chance for a shout out in the next video, then make sure to comment down below, question of the day, in a hashtag, and oh thanks, and just leave me a question and I'll pick one at random. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra!